Right here we have an incredibly customized 1966 Chevy Nova. Unbelievable, everything custom. Those wheels are just amazing. They match the car. It's super duper. And let's see it says, the root of all evil. See that? The root of all evil. Man, that's cool. Okay, what we have here is a 1956 Plymouth. You don't see many of them around, and you don't see any of them looking as good as this. I've never seen one this look good. Right there, it's a convertible, which you'll never find either. Again, super duper paint, undercarriage all done. This is a top shelf show car. Okay, what we have here is a super duper $60,000 paint job on a 64 Corvette. Unbelievable. This is one of the premier show cars right here. And check out the undercarriage. It's all been molded in. An amazing car. I can't imagine what this thing cost. But the paint and its tub, you can see the tub. Giant wheels. Okay, we got a Lotus 11 replica car. This car would have raced in the 60s. You can see they weren't very safety oriented here. It's a right-hand drive, and it's amazingly done. It's probably the only English sports car we have in here today, but it's cool. Okay, we have a 1956 Bel Air, mild custom. Those wheels are great. Car is amazing, immaculate, and it's got a two-tone paint job just like they used to have back in the 50s. We're good. Okay, we have here a 1961 Resto Mod Chevy Corvette. It's incredible condition, fuel injected, and the difference between a 61 and a 62 has been pointed out by my expert friend, is right in here. 62, they're much smaller, and I learned this yesterday, so this is a 61. Thank you. Next up, we have a 60 Chevy Parkwood station wagon. It's got a small block in it. This is just what every family drove in the 60s, man. A lot of fond memories of 60 station wagons, whether it's a Ford, Chevy, Chrysler, or anything. But yeah, great car, great restoration. 1960 Impala, super custom, owned by Ozzy and Rocky Carpenter. This thing is so cool. It looks like he's got a 409 engine in it, but it's really a 350 made to look like a 409. Super custom paint, everything. And look at that interior.
You can.
And there we go. Voodoo Verde. Watch stuff, Guppy. We got Ratfink, man. That's my favorite guy. Big Daddy Roth. 1962 Ford Econoline pickup owned by the Birmingham Fire Department. I actually had a 1961 Ford Econoline van way back in the day. These things are not extremely safe, but they're really cool. Thank you. This is a 1962 356B Super 90 Porsche. It's almost like the one James Dean drove when he was killed. His is a 55, I think, though. Called the bathtub Porsche. Okay, we have a 1932 Ford Victoria Model B. It's got got an incredible, looks like it's got a 4-cylinder engine in it. Would you believe that? This is an altered street sedan. There we go. Way to go, Guppy. Okay, here we are at the World of Wheels 2026. We got a super custom T-bucket here with a blown Hemi engine, fully custom, blue flames, immaculate. Welcome everybody to the show.
Sunshine all the time, top of car.
Okay, we got a 1967 fully custom Nova here. All the chrome has been painted on. It's got a huge motor with the Hillborn injectors. We got it all. Oh, he got this whole thing going. He's been like the man behind the job. He's fired this baby up, and we're going to be running it. Doing some burnouts, exhibition runs. We may even do some match racing with the Dixie Twister. And maybe Chris can tell you a little bit about that.
Yeah, so upcoming events, this car runs off of methanol, and we're going to get it going.
Yeah.
And so we're going to have it going to this summer. We're going to be doing some shows yet to be seen coming up in May, so look forward to that. With some of the outside events, we're going to start her up, run it again, and then during the summer, we're going to line up and do some exhibition runs that yet to be determined tracks, usually around here in the Birmingham outer areas. And then we're also going to try and line up some match racing with another funny car out of Georgia, the Dixie Twister, 70 model Camaro funny car. Beautiful car. It's going to be wild. So look forward to coming to see us run this car. It's going to be the craziest thing you ever seen.
Stay tuned. And we got James right here. James is my buddy, man. Without him,
hand man over here.
Without him, I'm nothing, man.
Yeah.
I'm literally falling over ropes without him.
Yeah. But I wouldn't even be here if it wasn't for him.
He keeps me going. And I can't say he keeps me young because I'm crazy anyway. But he does help me. And Chris and James, we wouldn't be doing this without both of them. Am I right?
That's right.
Shake hands.
Yeah.
And we crossed 1,000 viewers yesterday, right?
1,000. We're way past that now.
1,000 subscriptions on my Dan's YouTube channel. He's been harvesting them today.
Hey friends, I don't see you. I saw your other friends.
Come on in here. Yeah, come on in.
Come on in. Oh, we're shooting
Hi,
a video.
friends. I know, look.
I know, get in the video.
Hey.
Say hey to
How
everybody.
are we? Look.
Yeah, she's with the MOB contingent.
Absolutely.
She is on security. Does she look like a security officer to you?
Don't touch my car.
Don't mess with her car.
Don't touch my car.
She is like a hawk with those cars. And we met when we ran the funny car a month ago, the first week in January.
Absolutely. At the mobbing show in
Yeah.
Hoover.
You
Yeah.
got in the car, right?
I did, and so I think I fit perfect. I think I could be the next driver. I think
Okay.
Just never got her out of it.
I'm saying.
Well, when he ages out, it's all
My
yours.
turn. Wonderful. I need you to go ahead and start working on that, okay?
Keep track of his, annual physicals.
Got you. Hey, you went to the doctor, right?
Yeah,
You got all your shots, you're good?
I'll never tell.
Okay, well, I guess you got to keep me updated.
And what's your name again?
I'm Michaela.
This is Michaela.
Michaela from Mobbing. It's nice to meet
Right.
you guys. It's great to see you guys again. I'm going to go check out some of these awesome cars here today.
Okay.
And if I'm mistaken, we're coming back out maybe in June again for the summer, one of your summertime shows.
The
for
mob
car.
shows? Well, I'll be out there and I'll make sure you get to your perfect spot. How about that?
Thank
Okay.
Absolutely. You guys
Thank
have
you,
a great
Michaela.
day, okay?
Bye. I think that wraps it up. Anything else to say?
Look forward to more shows coming up with Dan's Hot Rod channel. Keep it up.
And look us up on Dan's Hot Rod channel on YouTube.
Oh. And this is the she's with MOB. This is the trophy they gave us a month ago. They gave out lots of trophies that day. I mean, one, and they gave it to us. And I've never had a trophy looking that cool.